I will tell you about how you have to prepare for your federal bank examination. Your federal bank examination, I have given a
Yes, sir.
folder like this to you. You must have seen this folder. I have already given you. In that, since time available is very limited, I request you to concentrate on the model papers I have given you with answers. These are the model papers
Okay, sir.
with answers. Even if you study this, you will not have sufficient time at your disposal. Next, this one is for computer awareness. This is what we are discussing today, and we'll be discussing questions number 101 to 150 today. I have asked some of the candidates to read and come prepared. If they come, I will give that.
Oh,
Then you are
okay,
going
sir.
for PO or you, apart from those model papers, these are the real papers that have been conducted in the IBPS PO examinations. And your federal bank exam will be more or less similar to that one. So please go through that. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Then this book is on GK, but there is not much of a time before you, so you may not be able to read them. Then you can go through this guidely static GK. This static GK
Okay.
will tell you about chief ministers. It would have changed. You have to go and search for the current one, or I will be giving now and then. I would have given already with the current ones. Of course, even every day the changes comes. For example, Maharashtra chief minister has changed recently, Fadnavis. So like that changes will be
Yes,
there.
sir.
Then cabinet ministers, this is outdated. I would have given you another list of union ministers. Then national parks, tiger reserves, wildlife sanctuary, hydrothermal nuclear power stations, list of important dams and rivers. Okay, and like that, sense
Okay.
list of airports. All these things you have to go through. This is for general knowledge. They may or may not ask questions from this in general knowledge.
Uh,
Okay.
Sir, for 15 marks, how much we need to prepare means like what is the criteria?
15 marks, they will give one chief minister, they will give one capital, one currency. Then sometimes they will ask some current affairs, 5 questions, like that it will go. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I think your
Okay,
test
sir.
is going to be only 75 questions, and each part 15
Yes, sir.
questions. Yeah, each part 15 questions. But my model papers I have given you will have 150 questions. My model
Okay.
papers, all of them will have 150 questions. So from there, you have to take out 15 and then try to answer them. As you know, your test will consist of first English. In the
Okay.
English paper, they will give you questions like this. Here is a word. Find out in which sentences it has been used properly. In one or two sentences, it might not have been used properly. Or it may be that in all the three sentences, it has not been used properly. You have to find out. Next, you will have
Okay.
comprehension. This is a very familiar thing known to you. In the comprehension passages,
Hmm.
you will have such bold letters, bold words, which will be helpful for your answering few questions because they will ask some synonym, antonym, like that. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Then after that comprehension is over, You may have nowadays this type of questions. A sentence will be framed with wrong placement of words, or sometimes
Ah,
it can be
yes, sir.
the placement of words are correct. You will have to find out which placement will fit in for this one. If you work out the problem, if you watch the videos posted yesterday, day before yesterday, you will know it. Then
Okay, okay, sir.
this is known as para jumble. That is, six sentences will be given. You have to arrange them in proper order. That which has to be told first has to be told first. That which is to be told last has to be told in the last. So arranging the sentences based on which questions are given. Then
Okay, sir.
you have quantitative aptitude. And for success in quantitative aptitude, I have been repeatedly telling in all the videos, you must be good in tables up to 20. It is because we are
Yes, sir.
using calculator always, we have lost our ability to remember the numbers quickly. I am sure you will not be able
Ah,
to tell me the answer if I ask you what is 19 into 19.
sir, that is
Yeah, I know we are all weak. So this ability we
ah,
have to develop.
yes, sir.
We have to develop this ability apart from say squares up to 50, cubes up to 25, and all that. Okay. And formula,
Okay, sir.
etc.
Okay.
If you watch our classes, you will come to know of it. Similarly, after aptitude, you will have data interpretation also based on graph. This is 360 degrees. Out of that, 30% means how many degrees? Tell me.
Sir, it is 12.
No. 360 degrees. Out of that, 30% means 360 into 30 divided by 100. You will get
108.
108.
8.
Like that, you must be thorough with all those things. You should work out. Then comes your reasoning questions. You won't be able to follow now if I tell you reasoning questions.
Hmm.
Once you when come and work out, you will know. After that, GK questions. After that, sales aptitude questions. Then I think before that, you will have computer knowledge questions also. This is computer knowledge. Okay.
Okay, sir.
This is what your test will be. And you must secure good pass mark. And when you secure pass mark and come, you will go for the group discussion process and interview. So for that, I will be giving you separate material for group discussion and interviews, for which you will be paying 608 rupees. And if you are selected
Okay.
in GD, selected in interview, selected in GD for interview for conducting 2 marks, I will be charging 300 rupees. This is how, but
Okay,
the
sir.
one problem with the campus placement is nowadays they are conducting test today, and today evening itself they are conducting GD. Oh Baba. If that is the case, you have to manage the GD and come out successful. When you go for interview after 2 days, 3 days, you can have my interview session on payment of say 603 rupees. That is separate. Okay. This is what the procedure has been.
Okay, sir.
Recently, about 65 candidates have come out successful in pan India recruitment. Last year, 124 candidates came out successful.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
very good.
Okay.
Now, this is what it is. So I will stop this session with this because I have